Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you how to recover lost data from Seagate pension drives with no-host busy failure. No-host busy failure is very common failure for the Seagate F3 hard drives. And within the DFL Seagate from repair software, we have many options and solutions to fix the low host busy issue. Okay, for the very first solution, it's very common and standard. To fix the firmware corruption, we need to back up the ROM here and then back up the SYS files here or edit SYS file to back up the SYS. After we back up the firmware modules or SYS files, we can then try to go to SCOM terminal here and we can clear Genist, reset smart, and then regenerate the translator. So this is the standard method to fix the low host solution. And for some other F3 low host BD pension drives, we can come here, the ROM operations, we can see the low host 3F. So here, this solution is specially for the Barracuda 7200.12 3F. Okay, the family ID is 3F. So we can generate the unlock ROM or the spin down fix ROM, the low host ROM, and we write this no host ROM, then power off, power on, we can fix no host spin down issue. So this is the second method. For the third method, for the no host busy, and we can come here, the RAM operations, and we can see the HDD initialization and boot operations. Here are two submenus. Okay, let's check the boot operations first. We can see here users can use the virtual boot, and this function will generate as a boot ROM by DFL, and then users can select the module 3D or the SYS 2OD. We load this 2OD and we can select the here the actions no host busy here. Then we select the ROM, write boot ROM, then select the 3D or 2OD, and we select the patch no host busy, and then we note the boot firmware. After this one, we can try to access the pension drive again. We can exit the program and re-enter the software to see if the issue of the low host busy has been fixed or not. Okay, so this is the third method, and the fourth method here, we can check the loader. This is to edit the ROM. And here, Noder, we can back up here SA operations, LOD operations. We can back up LOD, or we can write LOD by com. LOD means the loader, including the ATM modules for Seagate drives to read and write properly. So we select Noder here, and then we can select the actions we need to operate. For example, the low host busy here, no host busy, type 1, type 2. We can select the type 1 first, and then we can Sometimes we need to select other actions here as well. And this option helps us to decide if we need to write some modifications to the RAM or to the firmware on the platters. And we can try to write to the RAM first to test if this operation is valid or working or not. Because after we write to the RAM and we can just exit the program, re-enter the software, and refresh the patient drive status to see the result. This operation helps to fix no host busy type 1, or we can select no host busy type 2. So we can notice and select this solution to fix no host busy. So actually, for slow host busy, we can have several methods to fix. To use the noder to fix, or we can use the virtual boot to fix no host busy, or we can try to use the COM terminal to run the translator regeneration after the firmware backup. Or we can go to the ROM operations to generate the low host ROM for this family only. For other families, then we can use these methods or solutions. So it's very easy with the Dolphin Seagate firmware repair software. Thank you for watching the video.